Adap kimi kardom kadu kavel so YouTube channel long kilangara do anafans tami Lapen Peninali tumpana ke than ponji labangke Piso Banghini ke en Lapen Penan Banghini Kedo mate kachirai atum government schemes tami alang litum long pon ig elo la sopot hak non klar takalam Lapen detail salam lang polona jong channel itum la so YouTube channel long nang ka homre milang pulte kachingon penan itum subscribe ikon Lapen videos tami na itum share pon igon tang de non la sopot hak le klar takalam lang polona Lapen chethan polona tang de non chethan polona policy Lapen la polygamy apthak Lapen labangso polygamy labang ki kidam tang hot pensi Assam sarkar hin pen pathik poniglo Lapen nilihat ake to watenglo komane pinso jong si ardoso bahini cera ek dat mate wan ek dat Lapen komane ardoso jong si Penan Banghini Kedo pulo tangte alang litum labang ki government pen ki pi pon ana scheme labang ki alang litum long lelo la soputak nili penangan media long stame tek long Lapen okay sir la Himanta bisa Sarma hin pentala solam labang ki ningche poneglo Lapen polygamy pulo tangte komane pinso jongsi apiso do kokpen aku anot ka pregar lo sopan kiwantu Lapen komane arloso apenan do kokpen anot ka prek ako penan kido tu jo alang lito mansi labang so polygamy polisi bangke mulai poneglo naselang litum labang ke government scheme stami long lelo Lapen Assam government hin pe stami strictly action against la polygamy puthak penang an alang litum la government hin pen pangtang poneglo komane jong sila son doko pola tangte alang litum legal action alang litum mate strict action labang ke en ponwek po Lapen ineligible for government scheme ko PP scheme sikilong lazy pulo tangte penangan scheme la government scheme anason banglong lelo urunado scheme punon ration card benefit punon PM Awas Yojana punon Mukhyamantri Atmanirbhar Assam Abhijan punon student scholarship scheme punon Lapen kaprek la government welfare scheme an bangke alang litum long lelo Lapen documents nili karjulong mate media report ateng pulo tangte alang litum documents anta documents anta dekti pon labi pusi arjulong labang ke ko ane hok labang ke government hin pen labang la soputhak bangke pangdak pon pelas tamela scheme son bangke alang litum lake longdun egelo Lapen ineligibility will apply to person involved polygamy not to other family members labangke la Penan Banghini Kedo Lapen Piso Banghini kachirai mata ke enatum mapansila so polisi labangke paklang poneglo government scheme alia labangke longdon igelo Lapen step 4 na litum dake tok thot thek thulongji action against government employees Lapen government employees tum matala sonlo government employees involved in polygamy will face disciplinary action may lead to suspension may lead to dismissal removed from service other department level disciplinary measure as a per rule all Assam government employees including teaching police health administration and all others department labangke normally amon tum handa galilo laki government service ke claim atum stami komane pinso jongsi arloso bahini wandet Lapen arloso jongsi komane pinso apinando ko api ko kapre pinso longdun pulo tangte alang litum service ke claim bom avering war size tami ingtan ikpet po puta government hinpen mate Assam government hinpen pangdak poneglo Lapen legal status labang kilasona this is currently government proposal until the law is noticed exciting personal law may be continuous the final law will be announced by Assam Legislative Assembly implementation will be after official notification Lapen legal status copy pine labangke and ponji labangke pangdak pon penas tame daki pipon anason anbangke long don delo la government scheme punon la penala service Kedo Atum jong si la sona sai ki claim pul talang litum la service tami waring war size tami kan ponik po stami kopine kopi action ne ke NG la bangke korpin kusani kang saila so puthak bang ke dak pachini pon pelang lapen how will it be implement declaration affidavit will be required for will applying for the scheme verification and marital status during application and renewal in polygamy is found application will be rejected or stop benefit stop action will be taken as a per law and rules lapen asono jong si nalitum ko pini scheme jong si ka apply dun pulo tangte marital status jong si uh, marital status jong si pidun nang kong lapen alang litum verification pen jong si polygamy longlok pulo tangte alang litum la kelong bom a benefit anta stop lapo mate long pon igidat po lapen yung silong lilang pulta la apply stami alang litum reject pon ikpo lapen alang litum han action and pon ikpo law lapen rules ating pen puta kapachini pon alam tedo any person who will be affected one man marriage to or more wife or one woman marriage to or more men such a person will not get any Assam government scheme and many face legal and departmental action. Nasilason no lahai scheme le kilong de la pen ala service sai hui ki than ponji alam bangke la piso Banghini kecirai la pen Penan Banghini Kedo Atum panna la pen polygamy la ke one man two women and one woman two men is proposed of the option where person involved will not get any Assam government scheme. Government employees involved will face the dismissal and other disciplinary action. This is government proposal. Final law and rules are awaited. Let's say la Piso Banghini kecirai la Penan Banghini Kedo Atum la bangke chere ikchot si kimelo government pen stamian ki pipon scheme do la scheme le la pen jang sa service ki do bom tum stamela son chuma thapla tangte alang litum a service tame than pon ikpo mate ing than pon ikpo la pen la service ka vetum jang si la son dak claim that pulote Piso Banghini one that ba Penan Banghini do ko te alang litum stame government scheme le la bangke long don igelo as video share poringo karbeng long ras tame palaik nang la pen pachinik nang la pen la son update matela son video kilong wer siapan la so YouTube channel la bangke na litum subscribe ikon la si do me thakmi kadu kawe Garbage 2.0 YouTube channel long kilang ara do ana fans tame nilen pet kardom